Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Ambur style biryani today. Let's start. Soak 15 to 16 Kashmiri red chillies in hot water. Grind them to a fine paste and set aside. Heat a pot on medium-high heat. Add in half a cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 9 to 10 pieces of cloves and cardamom, 6 to 7 pieces of cinnamon sticks. When they begin to splutter, add in 2 cups of finely chopped onion, 1 cup of finely chopped cilantro, and half a cup of finely chopped mint. Saute until the onion becomes golden brown. For making Ambur biryani, you'll need Zira Sambar rice. This rice is very aromatic and the grain of this rice is very tiny and it gets its name from its resemblance to cumin seeds. Do not soak this rice for more than 20 minutes. Let's continue with sauteing the onions. Onions are golden brown. Now add 5 tablespoons of freshly blended ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste disappears. Now add in the blended Kashmiri chili paste. Saute for a minute. Add 3 cups of chopped tomatoes. Saute until the tomatoes become very soft and mushy. Tomatoes are very soft and mushy. Lower the flame and add in 1 cup of beaten yogurt. Saute until the oil separates. Add 2 tablespoons of salt or to taste. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Over here I have got 2 country chickens cut into 12 pieces each, washed and drained very well. Saute the chicken with masala for 5 minutes. Chicken is sauteed very well. Now close the lid and cook the chicken until it's 90% done. Chicken looks good. Oil has separated. Switch off the stove. Now let's move on to the next step. Wash and soak 5 cups of Zira Sambar rice for no more than 20 minutes. Boil 10 cups of water with 3 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 7 pieces of cardamom, 7 pieces of cloves, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Water is boiling. Drain the soaked rice very well and add it to the boiling water. Boil the rice until it's 50% cooked. Please do not overcook the rice. Let's check the rice. This is 50% cooked. It's time to drain the rice. Heat the chicken biryani masala on very low heat. Friends, this biryani is very different. It does not have any cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, or garam masala powder. It's very easy and simple to make. If the chicken biryani masala is very thick, then please add about half a cup of water and give it a gentle mix. Add in the 50% cooked rice. Mix the rice and masala together. I'm using a bread knife to mix the masala and rice so that the rice does not break. Please add salt if needed. Cover this with aluminum foil. Cover the pot with a lid. Turn the flame to the lowest heat possible. Keep this on dum for at least 40 to 50 minutes or until the rice is well done. It's been 50 minutes. Let's check the biryani. Carefully remove the aluminum foil. Looks and smells wonderful. Fluff up the biryani. Traditionally, this biryani is cooked over wood fire. To give this biryani a smoky flavor, I'm going to smoke this. Heat up a piece of coal. Place it in a heat-proof bowl. Place the bowl in the biryani pot. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee over the hot coal. Cover the pot immediately. Let this smoke for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Let's open this and see. Smells really good, like traditional Ambur biryani. Carefully remove the bowl. This is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.